Good evening, my dear students and honorable viewers. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my English class on behalf of the page Pinkish Virtual Classroom. Today I am here to take an English class specially for the students of class 5. So, my dear little angels, how are you doing? I hope you are doing good by the grace of Almighty. Alhamdulillah, I am also pretty good. So, those who are new in today's class, let me introduce myself. This is Asma Khanum, assistant teacher at Kalachatpur Government Primary School, Noakhali Sodor, Noakhali. Today we are going to work on Unit 8, Lesson 1-2. So get ready for the class with your all necessary things, that means your EFT book, notebook and pen. My dear little angels, are you ready for the class? I think you are ready for the class. My dear students, you all know that we are passing a very critical time because the outbreak of coronavirus. So we should be careful about coronavirus and follow the health tips. Stay at home, stay safe. So my dear little angels, let's get started our today's class. Have a look on the screen. সবাই স্ক্রিনে দেখো। Welcome again to my today's class. Okay, my dear students, you know that in our every class we do something for our refreshment. So let's play. So let's enjoy a video. চলো একটা ভিডিও দেখে আমরা আমাদের আজকের ক্লাসটা শুরু করি. Have a look on the screen. Thank you, my dear students, for watching the video. So, how was the video? Have you enjoyed the video? It's a rainy season, so I hope you have enjoyed the video. Okay, my dear students, let's start our today's lesson. So have a look on the screen. Okay, my dear students, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? ছবিটা খুব ভালো করে দেখো তো. Think yourself and tell me what do you see in the picture. Okay, thank you so much. You are correct. The doctor is visiting a girl. The girl's name is Shima. She is ill. I repeat for you. The doctor, here is a doctor and a girl. Okay, the doctor is visiting a girl. The girl's name is Shima. She is ill. Okay. My dear students, have a look on the screen. Here is another picture. Look at the picture very carefully. Who is she and what is she doing? What do you see in the picture? Think yourself. Well done. Here is a girl, maybe her name is Shima. Shima is writing a letter to her friend. Shima is writing a letter to her friend. Shima কি করছে? একটা চিঠি লিখছে তার বন্ধুর কাছে. And in her letter, she is telling to her friend to write to me soon. To write to her soon. Okay, so can you guess what is our today's topic? What is the title of our today's topic? Think yourself. Thank you so much. You are correct. Okay, lesson declaration. Write to me soon. Say with me. Write to me soon. Repeat again. Write to me soon. The title of the lesson is Write to me soon. Okay, today our lesson is Write to me soon, lesson 1 to unit 8. Okay, my dear students, before starting our today's lesson, let's learn some new words that we have read and understand the text easily. চলো পাঠে যাওয়ার আগে আমরা কিছু নতুন শব্দের সাথে পরিচিত হই যাতে আমরা কি আমাদের টেক্সটটা খুব ভালোভাবে পড়তে পারি এবং বুঝতে পারি. Okay, have a look on the screen. Okay, my dear students, look at the picture. Have a look on the picture and you have to say, to see the picture, what is our new word? You have to say what is our new word to see the picture. Okay, তোমাকে ছবিটা দেখে বলতে হবে যে আমাদের নতুন শব্দটা কি হতে পারে. বুঝতে পেরেছো? Have you got it? I hope you have got it. So here is a boy. I'm helping you. Here is a boy and what happened with him? What is he doing with his hand? Maybe maybe he is ঠিক বলেছো, you are correct. Sorry, he is coughing. You are correct. So our new word is cough. Our new word is cough. Okay, say with me, cough. Say again, cough. Okay, my dear students, now can you tell me what is the meaning of cough? Okay, and before see the meaning, let's spell the word. চলো আমরা আগে কি ওয়ার্ডটা একটু স্পেল করে নিই, দেন আমরা মিনিংটা দেখব. ওকে, সো Say with me. C-O-U-G-H. Cough. Repeat again. C-O-U-G-H. Cough. So tell me, what is the meaning of cough? Can you guess? Okay, I'm helping you. Tickle in one's throat. I repeat again for you. Tickle in one's throat. তাহলে কফের মিনিংটা কি? টিকল ইন ওয়ানস থ্রট, যে কোনো একজনের গলায় কি সুরসুরি করা, যখন সুরসুর করে খুসখুস করে তখন এটি কি আমরা কাশি দিই। ওকে, সো মাই স্টুডেন্টস, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য বেঙ্গলি মিনিং অফ কফ? ওকে, ইউ আর কারেক্ট। ইটস কাশি। ইটস কাশি। Okay, have you got it? I hope you have got it. Okay, my dear students, here is another picture. Have a look on the picture. What is our new word? Can you guess? Okay, I'm helping you. Here is a girl, and what happened with her throat? Maybe he feels pain in her throat. So, what is our new word? What could the word be? You are correct. Well done. The word is sore throat. Sore throat. Sore throat. Pronounce with me. আমার সাথে বলো। Sore throat. Say again. Sore throat. So my dear students, spell with me. আমার সাথে বানান করে বলো। S-O-R-E. Sore. Next. T-H-R-O-A-T. Throat. Sore throat. Okay, my dear students, spell again. S-O-R-E. Sore. T-H-R-O-A-T. Throat. Sore throat. Okay, my dear students, now can you tell me what is the meaning of this word? Okay, I'm helping you. A throat with pain caused by fever or cold. I repeat again for you. A throat with pain caused by fever or cold. Okay? So, what is the Bengali meaning of sore throat? Can you guess? You have done very good job. Thank you so much. Gola ব্যথা. Sore throat means gola ব্যথা. Have you got? Okay, I hope you have got it. Okay. Have a look on the screen. There is another picture. Look at the picture. Think yourself. What is our new word? Okay, I'm helping you. Here is a girl. Maybe she has a high temperature. Okay, she has a high temperature. দেখি কি মনে হচ্ছে? তার গায়ের তাপমাত্রা মনে হয় অনেক বেশি, সেজন্য কি তার কি থার্মোমিটার দিয়ে মাপা হচ্ছে, তার তাপমাত্রা মাপা হচ্ছে। মেবি হার ফাদার অর মাদার, ওকে, কি করছে? তাপমাত্রা মাপছে, তার গায়ে হাত দিয়ে দেখছে যে আসলে কি তার গায়ের তাপমাত্রা বেড়ে গিয়েছে। সো ক্যান ইউ গেস হোয়াট ইজ আওয়ার নিউ ওয়ার্ড? Excellent, you are correct. The word is fever. The word is fever. Say with me, fever. Say again, fever. Okay, my dear students, now spell with me. F-E-V-E-R. Fever. Say again, F-E-V-E-R. Fever. So, let's see the English meaning. চলো ইংলিশ মিনিংটা দেখি। A disease of high temperature. I repeat again, a disease of high temperature. So, my dear students, what is the meaning of fever? Bengali meaning. You have done very good job. You are correct. It's jar. Fever mean jar. Have you got this word? I hope you have got it. Okay. Next word. Okay. Have a look on the screen. What do you see in the picture? What is this? I think you have guessed what is our new word. Thank you so much. The word is medicine. Say with me, medicine. Say again, medicine. Now spell with me, medicine. Medicine. Say again, medicine. Medicine. Okay, my dear students, can you guess what is the meaning of medicine? বলো তো মেডিসিনের ইংলিশ মিনিংটা কি? Okay, you are correct. You have done very good job. Thank you so much. It's drug. I repeat again for you, drug. Okay, so can you tell me what is the Bengali meaning of medicine? Okay, thank you. Well done. Aushad. Medicine mean aushad. Okay, have you got this word? Now let's go to the another word. Okay, here is another picture. Look at the picture and think yourself, what is our new word? Okay, I'm helping you. Oh, here is a lady and she has a very bad cold. Maybe she has a high temperature, she has a sore throat. So can you guess which disease is this? তুমি কি বুঝতে পেরেছো যে কি তার গায়ের তাপমাত্রা কিন্তু অনেক বেশি মনে হচ্ছে এবং তার কি গলা ব্যথা আছে, তার কি ঠান্ডা লেগেছে। সো জানো এই রোগটার নাম কি? ওকে, ইউ আর কারেক্ট। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ, ইউ হ্যাভ ডান ভেরি গুড জব। The word is flow. The word is flow. Say with me, flow. Repeat again, flow. My dear students, now spell with me, F-L-U, flow. Again, F-L-U, flow. So my dear students, let's see the English meaning. An illness like a very bad cold. An illness like a very bad cold that makes you feel hot and weak. I repeat again for you. An illness like a very bad cold that makes you feel hot and weak. Okay, so let's see the Bengali meaning. Can you guess what is the Bengali meaning of this word, flu? Okay, you are correct. It's ইনফ্লুয়েঞ্জা। ফ্লু মিন যেটাকে আমরা ইংলিশে ফ্লু বলি, সেটার বাংলা মিনিংটা হচ্ছে ইনফ্লুয়েঞ্জা। ওকে, হ্যাভ ইউ গট ইট? আই থিঙ্ক ইউ হ্যাভ গট ইট। ওকে, লেটস সি দ্য ওকে my dear students, can you tell me how many new words that we have learned today? Think yourself. Okay, you are correct. Today we have learned 5 new words, and now let's play a game with these new words. I think you feel